When we use emotional intelligence to motivate and inspire, we're ultimately speaking to people's hearts and minds. Emotional intelligence helps us find the good in people and reinforce that good when that validation is needed most. Here are some high EQ strategies you can use to motivate and inspire your workforce. Identify what motivates and inspires you, remembering that developing your EQ begins with self-awareness. Then share those inspirations and motivations with your team. Assess new hires for their emotional fit using personality assessments and behavioral interviews. Group interviews, inclusive by nature, can show you how applicants act in group settings. Once an employee is hired, find out why they came to work at your company. That way, you'll learn what motivates them most about the opportunity. Keep cheat sheets on the people you manage, including information like birthdays, work anniversaries, names of immediate family members, hobbies, favorite music, and personal interest. You can even set up calendar reminders for important events in their lives. Communicate with your team regularly, reminding them of the company vision, mission, values, and goals. Continuously reinforce your company culture and look for examples of it in action. Visually brand your workplace with cutouts of stories, customer testimonials, quotes, family pictures, and colorful designs. Many companies realize that a work environment, for better or worse, creates an emotional atmosphere for employees. As emotionally intelligent leaders, it's up to you to maintain environments where employees feel supported, engaged, and valued. By now, you should have a much better understanding of emotional triggers and how to manage them, how to create inclusive and safe environments, how to cultivate resilience and anti-fragility in times of change, and how to motivate and inspire your employees.